So welcome to Tekirako. You're watching this video and this is a video on the a power mirror app tutorial. So here you can see you can use it for mirroring and you can also mirror PUBG like this and the streaming of PUBG in the next part. So if you want this, just keep watching this video. So here you can see, just open the Play Store and just search the a power mirror. First link is yours, just install it and just open it. So here are the various options available in it. You can see the photo transfer and the other mirror to PC or phone, and the basic settings just set it to the by default for more stability and just normal quality. And you have to also enable some permission like accessibility settings and the notification access. If you want to get notification on your desktop, then enable it. And two options available like the Wi-Fi and the USB. You can use Wi-Fi, like turn on the mobile hotspot and connect your PC to that network, or just both device connected to the same network. And in the desktop version, you can just copy this URL and paste it in it. Link is in the description, so just download it. You can use almost all features freely, but if you want some extra feature, then you have to buy it. You can get premium like any way you want, or you can understand what I really mean. You can get premium. So after premium installed, here you can see the smoothness in it. In the Wi-Fi, just connections available. Just tap on your PC and just tap phone mirroring, and you have to just click on start now. And now connection done. You can see the smoothness, FPS in it, like this, very stability in it. In the Wi-Fi network, there's very stable connections in it, and the mirroring is really nice. Quality is just normal, and you can see the device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So in the YouTube, you can play phone YouTube and just see the smoothness in it. You can use three options like the and the USB connection. You have to enable the USB debugging in the developer option. Just enable the developer option. You can see the USB connected. So follow some steps here. Enable the USB debugging mode. After debugging, it will allow your desktop. So just allow, and you can see connection is done. If first time connection failed, then you can just retry the connection. So second time it will connect. Really nice, smooth, very nice, and this will get a benefit in your like playing games like PUBG. So you can see Wi-Fi connection to play PUBG is not really good idea, but by a USB cable you can connect with more response time and very stability with some no quality. So here you can see you can control with your mouse also. You can control your joystick and camera with your mouse. So real desktop mouse, and also some basic options here like the BlueStack and other game loops have the just it will work like emulator. So you can see you can control with the WASD, but I will not suggest to do it now. So just play it on the PUBG, play it on the device and just watch it on the laptop or desktop. You can use it to stream. If you don't know how to stream, then you can watch the part 2 of this video. Just link in the description, or you can just watch it. And you can see you can play YouTube and other things in it. The internal sound depends on your device. Internal sound depends like your phone support internal sound or not. You can see, but sound transfer can be done in the cast option. In any Android, you can see in the notification panel there is a cast option. So don't open the app, just click on the cast, connect to the same Wi-Fi and just cast to a power mirror. Just select, then your audio will be transferred to your device if you want. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more and more